Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat fidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadian baula peram keput ya kertong jong keseng kongres ke Charlotte Moment bat yaki arngut ki kertong klem seng bakan top yu John Leslie Sangma bat yu Chris Kabel Sangma bat job dan borom yaki election MLA Shteng Smai ke badang sudap long hak apply trek unailar mentau snem na South Pura constituency u Conrad kongkal Sangma henne ke singi ke santereng unailur ulabam Smai kum Dkhot Pura jong ki Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke jela Yau Conrad Sangma ubalong ru menteri rangba ke jela lapan bam Smai do lampang ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke jela u Dr. Dkhot Roy hak office rekam jong u ha assembly secretariat ke baran pok khandailan ringkat ke jidan lang ki MLA ka seng National People's Party bat kinang ilam ke kenhon senrop jong ke Meghalaya Democratic Alliance u Conrad ke Sangma dang hanin ke sngi ru ke South Rek unailur ulai no ru ya ke jinglong MP na Pura parliamentary seat hadin bola late IT ya ke Shithi no kam ha ke lampang jong ke Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke India ke Sumitra Mahajan kenang ba undobla ban beteng ya ke jinglong menteri rangba ha ke ni ke jela
Been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you so much. How are you? I will take your phone call. Thank you so much. Thank you. Excited about taking over as an MLA. Of course, yesterday I resigned from my Member of Parliament post, and today I've taken oath as an MLA. And obviously the work and the responsibility are very different when it comes to an MP and an MLA. So yes, in one way it will be different responsibility and role, but at the same time I am excited to work for specifically as an MLA of South Pura. So therefore it is exciting, and I once again take this opportunity to thank the people of South Pura as well as all the people who have worked for me in this election, including our coalition partners. When it comes to the government and as Chief Minister, of course I have not at all thought of it in that way from the beginning itself, and my commitment has been there 100%, and it will continue in that same line. So I don't feel much of a difference whether it's an ad hoc Chief Minister or a regular Chief Minister. My commitment was always 100% to the work that I was doing, and it will continue in the same way.